interviewed a handful of courageous KENDAGO employees this past year. This is what they had to say. What does KENDAGO mean?
It's like something in Japanese or Korean, meaning like calm or zen or something. Okay, no, I don't know.
There was a guy in the office at the time who was like, it means ken as in yes, da as in yes in Russian, and go. So
I think it's something in Latin.
It's something in African.
African? Oh, okay, maybe.
Some kind of a bird or something.
Hello in African.
A word for good luck, I think.
I think it's peace.
There is a meaning?
What? There's a meaning?
Luck in Indian.
So I was here when they changed the name from B2C Media to KENDAGO. And it was like, what is that? What does it even mean? And the whole point was that it doesn't really mean anything.
Really?
Really? Keep watching to find out. Which funnel is the most absurd?
I don't know, now we just got like a foot fungus one.
Fungus stuff is kind of weird. You have things on your foot and stuff. Foot fungus.
The pelvic floor. Pelvic?
Pelvic.
Bladder leakage.
The erection pills.
Score blue is the most absurd one.
The erectile dysfunction one.
We used to have erectile dysfunction stuff, but we just got rid of all the erectile dysfunction in the world, so.
The poop one is funny. If the poop floats or sinks. No?
What's a funnel? What's a funnel?
The Lost Ways funnels, which talk about what are you going to do after the end of days, or the big apocalypse, or the zombie apocalypse, or whatever.
You know, I don't see how the world is coming to an end and how pemmican is really going to save us.
TDC.
Easy seller.
I think easy cellar, like building a cellar, is the most like funny or crazy, because who is going to build a cellar?
I need to go build my own backyard cellar right now. Easy seller. Yeah, I think that's a winner.
If you could make up a funnel to sell anything, what would you sell?
I feel like if we had a funnel for like growing hair, it would do pretty well.
Something about meditation, mindfulness.
Vacation, trip all over the world.
Good vacations, better life.
Gaming.
Gaming is good. Music, like teaching people to learn instruments.
But chocolate. Something edible.
Espresso.
A little cup that you can do like this.
A folding cup.
Yeah, you can take with you everywhere.
Sell happiness.
Sell children. Online courses for parenting. How to make your baby sleep a full night. How to deal with boundaries. Rehab for diapers. And parents are willing to pay a lot of money if you touch the real pain.
Tanning lotion for gingers. That's what I would sell.
Funnels.
Funnel to sell funnels, yeah.
Sell funnels.
Time. I would sell time.
Something weird or embarrassing that happened to you at work. Anything.
I don't want to tell you.
This milk mixer. I didn't notice. I just poured the milk inside the tool without the bowl that you put the milk inside, and I didn't understand why it's not working for me.
The time that I got really drunk and was not able to drive myself home. The most embarrassing was that I actually just stayed at work super late to like sober up, and I'm drinking lemon water and, you know, eating all the crackers in the bottom cabinet.
Walked in the elevator.
And there was someone that I worked with that was like going towards the elevator, and I just closed it in her face, not knowing that we worked together.
And someone came in and I told her, where do you need to go? Because I didn't recognize her, and she told me, I'm working with you. Probably the most embarrassing thing.
Not remembering a name of someone. I just didn't call her name. I don't remember who it was, but I remember that it was embarrassing that I didn't remember her name.
Mixing up the tamirs in the beginning.
I think that I set the alarm on when I came in the morning. Instead of typing the code inside the alarm system, I typed it in the working, like where you insert your card. Instead, like I'm doing it for 2 minutes straight, and I don't understand why the alarm is still going on. I was scared, like that wasn't funny.
I was just sitting here, and then like this boom went off like right outside of my window. And then all of a sudden like Gal and Ariel and Lisa, and then I ran out and everyone's like coming this way and they're like, what is that? And I'm like, I don't know. And then we all thought like a bomb went off outside, but it didn't.
Our room is funny.
Our room is funny.
It's every day. Every day is funny.
When I was talking with Iman, and I didn't recognize her, we were talking by email. She asked me, do you want to meet in the office? And I replied to her, where is your office?
The elevator with Eleanor in it fell down the pier.
Nothing too creepy happens around here. Oh, yes. My North Face jacket being stolen. The jacket, a water bottle, headphones, and never having been returned. That was very mysterious.
I don't understand how the air condition works in our room and why it doesn't ever stop until it's freezing.
Once I almost got a heart attack. And I was in the refrigerator looking for something and Matan jumped behind me like a little demon. And I just got so scared and I think I bumped my head against the fridge. It was weird and spooky and embarrassing.
For 2 years, I managed to escape Corona. And then I decided to come to a Purim event. And I was with a mask during the entire party. And I got Corona. With 18 others. Valerie is the source. I don't care what she says. It all came from Valerie. You are in charge.
Told a joke, dark joke. I crossed the line. And apparently Rafi was there in the kitchen. And no one left. No one laughed. Everyone looked at me.
We laugh every day.
What are the side effects of working at KENDAGO?
Pooping problems.
Fungus, respiratory issues, hunger,
Orgasms, bladder leakage,
Vision problems.
vision impairment.
I have back pain, I have bladder leakage,
Losing memory.
And diabetes.
pee leakage.
People peeing themselves.
I have very low standards.
So what does KENDAGO mean?
The word Kendago comes from the Navajo language, meaning good luck.
To find out more about this unique routine, just click the link below and I'll see you on the other side.